Hello everyone, welcome back to Voice Law channel's Cyber Law series. Our today's topic is hacking. Though we have covered this topic along with some other topics, since this topic is often familiar and normally used in regular parlance, I would like to make a video with regard to hacking alone. So, it is nothing but an access or secure access of any computer resources with a dishonest or fraudulent intention. That is the only ingredients for hacking. Section is 66 IT Act that covers. So hacking, in the sense, it is normally speaking by any means without the permission, without the knowledge of the information of the owner of the computer, person in charge of the computer, secured access with dishonest and fraudulent intention. So this is the ingredient to commit the offense of hacking. And the case laws were already discussed. Anyhow, for your clarity, I am again repeating the case laws. That one is Shankar versus State in Madras High Court 2010. This case law was decided that a special assistant of confidential section of Directorate of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption has accessed the department's legal advisor's computer through pen drive and downloaded a particular audio file and also telecasted the same in various TVs and published in English daily, namely Deccan Chronicle, in which case the interpretation of Section 66 IT Act, that is hacking, is suitably made by the Honorable High Court, that by accessing the computer system and information without the permission of the owners, authorized users, copied and caused publication and thereby diminished the value of information, utility, and affected it injuriously by means of securing access and downloaded the information which was recorded and saved for the purpose of exclusive possession and use by the witness, the petitioner's application seeking for quash was dismissed. So, to attract that offense of hacking without any information, consent, knowledge, behind the doors, you just approach the computer and take the file is sufficient. And another case is P. Abdul Razak and another versus State of CBCID. That is also decided by the Madras High Court in the year of 2018, in which also the employee hacked the hard disk of the employer and used the source code. Source code means it's a banking software, and got some personal gains also. So case was registered under Section 65 and 66 of IT Act, and 66 is computer related offences, means the hacking. Only after hacking he has committed, downloaded he made use of this banking software for his personal gains. However, there are no materials were proved by the police, produced by the police to prove the offences. The accused was discharged. Anyhow, the principle was reiterated again that it's to attract the hacking, you must prove the ingredients first. So, normally we used to hear the words regularly in every forum that it is hacked, and what is the remedy for hacking. So we already discussed those topics, and those who want to visit the videos may please see the videos first, and I have also given the links in the description box below. With this information, we are concluding this video today, and rest of the topic we will cover in next session. Hope you enjoyed well.